Hey everybody, it's Mr. Paquette. I'm going to try to make a screencast here to show you how you can get your sprites to interact and trigger some actions when they touch. So we already showed how to move a sprite, and now we're going to try to code something to happen when my dog here touches this radiation symbol or this Martian symbol right here. So the first thing I'll do is I'll go to the events, and I want to have when flag clicked out here because that's going to reset everything and get everything started up. So I'm always going to try to start my stuff with that. And then I'm going to go to the control blocks here, and I'm going to bring in a block called forever, because what I want to have happen is when we click that green flag, forever, see how it loops back up? It's always checking to see if whatever is in here is a condition that's met or not. And so forever, I want it to be looking for if, so I'm going to take this if then block. If something happens, then it will do something. So what I'm going to do is if, and then I'm going to go to our sensing block. This is going to sense if something's touching. And I want it to do if touching mouse pointer is the thing. I'm going to link it up with this hexagon, but not touching mouse pointer. I'm going to have it touching the radiation symbol. If touching radiation symbol, then, and then I'm going to have something happen. And I want it to actually speak. And so I'm going to go down to this very bottom text to speech block right here. And I'm going to have it speak something. It's going to not say hello. And I'm going to put that inside here. If it's touching the radiation, then it should speak, but not hello. I'm going to type something there. It's going to type, the radiation on Mars could be harmful to people. Okay, so I have the radiation Mars could be harmful to people. So that's one thing that I want to have happen if it touches the radiation symbol. And then I also want to do something if it touches the Martian dude. So I'm going to bring in another if block here, if then, and I'm going to put it underneath. So it's not part of the first if block, but it is part of this forever looping thing here that will check forever after the green flag is clicked. Okay, so make sure it's underneath there, but still within this forever block. And I want it to be touching, so I'm going to go to sensing. If it's touching, this time not the mouse pointer, but the Martian dude. And this time I'm going to use a sound I already recorded. So you can record sounds under this tab right here. And I recorded a Martian life sound clip, and I'm going to go ahead and include that in the code. So I'll go up to sounds, and I want to play sound Martian life sound clip until done, and I put that right in there. If touching Martian dude, then play sound Martian life sound clip until done. And now let's try it out. So I'll hit the green flag. Let's move our dog here.
The radiation on Mars could be harmful to people.
Hey, watch out. If you explore Mars, you could damage already existing Martian life. Notice as I go over it. Hey, watch out. If you explore Mars, you could damage already existing Martian life. And then if I go over the radiation after it's done.
The radiation on Mars could be harmful to people. The radiation on Mars could be harmful to people.
And there you go. And I can stop, and we're all set. Hopefully this is helpful, and we'll get the dog to bark once more.